Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new on here, please do not forget to subscribe. And also to my return viewers, thank you so much for keeping up with me. So today we are making Kelewele, Ghana's famous snack. Kelewele, bisi just one time, one time. Who remember that song? I do. Anyway, let's get started. So here are the ingredients I'll be using. I'm just going to go ahead and blend everything together. But first, I'm just going to go ahead and cut into small size. And I'm going to blend with a little bit of oil and water. Like I said, I will list the quantity under the description so you can check it out. And I'm only using 2 plantains. So for this recipe, I'm just using 2 plantains. If you actually serving for a lot of people, you have to increase the number of plantain you're going to use. So I'm just cutting my plantain into thin slices. So this is how I want it to be, and afterwards I'm just going to go ahead and season it. Now it's time for seasoning. Just look at the size of my plantain. Like I said, you can actually cut it into a bigger size, but I'm just going to go ahead and add the paste I made and allow this to season for 15 minutes before I deep fry it. So to add a little flavor to the oil, I decided to just throw in some dry parsleys, and I'm just going to go ahead and fry the first batch of my plantain. Now this should take about 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 minutes, you should see that the color of the plantain will begin to change, and after 15 minutes, they should be golden. Go ahead and take them out, see how beautiful they look. Go ahead and take them out and continue the same process till you're done frying all the plantain. As you can see, this is very straightforward, very easy to make. Let me know what you think. It's really important to me. Please leave a comment below, like, share, and also to my new viewers, please do not forget to subscribe. Until next time, this is Willie's Kitchen, and happy Saturday.